Hi friends, I just heard the camera shut off, so I was just showing you guys, this is part 2. Here's the cameras. I love this. I think this is to go with the Vision 2020. I cannot wait to play with this. This is going to be so much fun. And look what she also sent. All these stickers, these darling stickers of cameras. And oh my goodness, extra blue letter alphas. Thank you so much, Lori. I never have enough alphas. I never have enough alphas. So let me introduce very quickly, and I will let you guys go because this ended up going into a part 2. Releasing late January. Join us for February devotional kit, In the Groove. Being in the groove is an interesting expression, one that may not carry the same connotations today as in the days of the past. On a gramophone or vinyl record, when the needle is in the groove, as all it was well, it was the established path. Contrast this with being in a rut. Grooves are good, ruts are bad. This study will help us focus on the tools we can all use to get the spiritual groove as opposed to the worldly rut. Oh, I love that. And guys, this is on amazing paper. We love the groovy artwork created for us by our friend Amy at AHNIART exclamation. So, yeah, I hate to tell you, I remember that. Am I revealing my age too much? So, okay, my sweet friends, we have 2 sets of devotionals, some extra stamps I've received, and then tons of amazing stamps for our Winter Bible Journaling Camp. When the slots are full and they're all gone, when they've all been spoken for, there will be no more. So if you are still on the fence, it is free to purchase, free to ship. It is a gift, and you are welcome to come be with us. We'd love to have you with us. The videos post daily, and I had kind of hoped to do a 2-week, and everybody wanted me to do the month of February, and I have not announced this yet, but I almost have 100% peace on doing Monday through Friday and taking off weekends. So kind of a compromise, hopefully everybody's good with that. But send me an email to josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It's listed in the information below and above in the About section if you are interested in signing up for the class. And again, it's first come, first serve. So we are almost full, and I have to tell you right now, I cannot wait to get back from this weekend and start putting together the kits. The kits have all been purchased, and donations have been given, and sponsors have shown up, and I just can't say enough how exciting it's going to be. And the content is fantastic. So, okay guys, I'm going to let you go. I pray your day is blessed, creative and lovely. If you like this video, if you like the first video, please, please, please go and give this a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you. And all the other good stuff. And I will be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.